Presenting a pre-owned 2022 Ram 2500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Ram is a great value with less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include technology package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.